Miss Luna teacher here today. How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Good. So now we're going to sing our hello song. Let's go.
Now, I want to teach you our warm-up song. We will sing it every time. The song words will be on your right. Listen, follow me, and dance with your body. We're going to warm up. Ready? Here we go.
Sun, please stay. We will have a lovely day. All the friends want to play. Sun, please stay. Sun, please stay. We will have a lovely day. All the friends want to play. Sun, please stay. Last time. Sun, please stay. We will have a lovely day. All the friends want to play. Sun, please stay. Good job, everyone. Have you warmed up? Great.
Hello, everyone! Today we are going to read a storybook called Water Play. Sam and Jill are learning about water. But what is water for?
Good morning, children.
Good morning.
What is water for? Water is for swimming! Yay! I can swim fast!
Water is for drinking.
I am thirsty! Water is for cleaning!
Paint is messy.
Shook, 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 shook.
Water is for plants. Grow, grow, grow.
Woohoo! Grow, grow, grow! Water is for fish. Our goldfish is hungry. Thank you.
Water is for play.
Woohoo! Jump up high, Jill. Good on you. Woohoo! We like water. Yay! Water is fun!
And now it's time for our goodbye song. Luna teacher will see you again next time. Our goodbye song is Rock, Scissors, Paper. Are you ready? Let's go! Rock, scissors, paper.
Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. What can it make? What can it make? Left hand rock, right hand rock. Take a bow, take a bow. Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. What can it make? What can it make? Left hand scissors, right hand scissors. Peekaboo, I see you. Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. What can it make? What can it make? Left hand paper, right hand paper. Goodbye, goodbye. See you next time, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.